Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone lock screen delay to wake up in iOS 17.4.1. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Solution number 1. Turn off guided access. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on accessibility. On the accessibility page, scroll down, tap on guided access. On the guided access page, turn off guided access. Solution number 2. Update all apps. Open the App Store on your iPhone. On the App Store page, tap on Apple ID name. On the Apple ID page, tap Update all apps. Solution number 3. Reboot your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slide it to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Solution number 4. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset all setting. Again reset all setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.